Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a Vercel hosted website on Google Search Console within 2 minutes. So let's get started. Here is a website which is created by me. It is fully created by Vibe Coding, and I just already add this website on Search Console. I search a lot on Google and YouTube, but I am not get any video on YouTube with a good process to add a website on Google Search Console, which is Vercel hosted. So I just fix this problem and I share you step by step. First of all, I just go on the anti-gravity, and here is the chat with here's the chat. I just add this website. So here is the website I created, and I just add the website on Google Search Console. Here is another Gmail of mine. I just click on the Search Console, and I just paste the website on here and just click on continue. Then they give me the HTML tag, and I just go on the anti-gravity, and I just paste this prompt for add my website on Google Search Console. So I just write here is my Search Console code, and please add this the head tag of the website. I have already add this website on Search Console, so that after sending this prompt, he said just I can see already there is a existing Google site verification meta tag, so that there is the process I will show you. You just go on this. You can add your website on Google Search Console. Next video I will show you how to create a website or create a cloud stacking website on fully optimized and multiple pages website on hosted on Vercel, and also the GitHub, and you can manage this website and add page blogs and also many things you can. So please subscribe my channel and follow my next video. Thanks.